Davido never misses a vibes. The 01 himself was spotted in a private jet with his wife and his crew while vibing to his own verse on Peruzzi's banger Apala Drill of the Sabali album. Omo, be smart, this album is coming very soon and it's going to be a hit jam. It might even drop this night. Fans can't wait. In fact, this song in this album is one of the most anticipated songs dropping very soon. But drop your thoughts after watching the rest of the clip and tell us what you think about this preview. Do you think this song is going to be a banger when it drops? Please share your thoughts and for subscribe for more celebrity news. Enjoy the rest of the clip.
Can I put my hand on your shoulder? But I don't get you. I said pressure taking over. Pressure taking over. And I swear that they know now. Baby, baby, show up, show up. One more hour.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. So, as the jet has been summoned.